the question is, does PS5 have overheating issues? In this video, I'm going to talk about if there is this problem and also if there are any fixes or some solutions that we have for cooling it down. So without much ado, let's jump into it. This is Sonit from Techie Trickle. Now Sony is in a bit of pickle following the reports from many of the users in the dev environment where they are using the PS5 dev kits where they are facing these overheating issues. And this is especially true for users who are playing the games that require high power from the GPU. Now this overheating problem can potentially result in a greater risk of hardware components. So it is very essential that you know some of the fixes that you can do at your home, or there are some workarounds that you can actually do just to ensure that you do not overheat your device. Now Sony is providing some tips on preventing these PS5 overheating issues. So some of the tips are as it comes right now on your screen. So the first one is placing the console at least 4 inches away from the vertical surface. The second tip is keeping the console away from a rug or carpet with long fibers. Now why I say this is because rugs or carpets actually absorb heat. It doesn't dissipate the heat. So you would need something that actually dissipates the heat. The third tip that I'm going to talk about here is operating the console in a well-ventilated space. So you can have it placed near a window where you have the air circulation done, or you can have an external supply of air. Of course, a fan. You can have a fan there so that it dissipates the heat from there. The fourth tip that I'm going to talk about is keeping the console uncovered at all times when operating. Now I have seen many gamers who actually have fancy covers all over their console. Now that actually absorbs the heat and it actually overheats your system. So if you are having that kind of a thing over your console, please remove that. The fifth tip that I'm going to talk about is using a cleaning tool like a vacuum cleaner to extract dust which actually sediments on the surface of your console. Now there are also some workarounds that might help you as a cooling solution which you can apply. So some of them are coming up right now on your screen. So the first workaround that I would talk about is placing the console on a wooden or stone surface for better insulation. Now that is very important because wood is a very good insulator. The second workaround is turning off the PlayStation for 30-40 minutes if it's physically warm or hot to touch with. So if you are facing that, then you would need to stop it. The third workaround is removing the side cover while playing. And the fourth workaround could be buying a PS5 dustproof kit for more effective filtering. So comment below and let me know if you actually used one of these solutions to ensure that your PS5 doesn't overheat. Now there are a lot of such videos right there in my channel, so please make sure that you browse through them and watch them. Now I would really appreciate if you can give me a like and also subscribe to my channel, clicking the notification bell so that you are notified as soon as I come up with such videos again. Please share this video with all your friends and family in social media because YouTube likes that engagement. Now there are 2 videos that are coming up right now on your screen, so please make sure that you watch them till the end. Till the next time, bye bye.